Alright, so I'm doing a cleaning of all my coffee stuff, and embarrassingly, this is the first time I'm cleaning my niche 0. And so I'm just filming this to let you guys know you definitely have to clean this way more often than I've been doing it. I just removed this outer burr. Whoop, I'm way too zoomed in. Oh no, I'm not. And this has a huge buildup of coffee. I'm trying to get a good angle. Sure. That's just... the focus isn't great. My bad. Look. Oh my god. That is not good. Oh my gosh. Okay, anyway, so this video is not gonna be a how to clean. This is just a reminder to clean your niche 0. And that's probably why my coffee has been shit. Okay, that's everything.